This nursing education is very difficult.
Hey, what happened?
It is really tough to learn this syllabus. I have to find an easy way to learn nursing.
Shreya, you're not using Nursing Guru app?
Nursing Guru app, what is it?
Nursing Guru is an educational app which students can find information on course, question paper, procedure videos.
Wow, that's nice. But what if we have doubts regarding our studies?
Don't worry about that. In the Nursing Guru app, students can chat with the faculties regarding anything about the subject and question papers.
Hey, tell me where I can find this app.
You can download it from the Play Store. If you are also a nursing student and you are struggling with your syllabus, subject and any procedure of the nursing, then you download the Nursing Guru app now.